guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here, hope you're all doing well. I'm back at the allotment. So you can see behind me it's got a little bit messy, the grass needs a cut, the beds need weeding out, the old stuff needs pulling out and ready for springtime. But yeah, we're gonna just do some work today and just hopefully get it tidied up, get it ready so when springtime comes round, we don't have to do this, it will all be ready for us to do what we want to do. So let me show you what I want to do today. Why do I keep saying do? Right, hang on a sec, let me turn you around. So we've got the fig as well, which needs a good tidy up. You can see here it's all growing up in between each other and there's loads of branches coming up and it's just not healthy. There's not enough air getting in there. It's just going to be really thick and not good. Beds need a good tidy up. They just need weeding out. The edges around the beds need all doing. Yeah, so it's just getting it all ready for the springtime because February gets cold. It's not frosty now. I thought I'd get in, mow everything, and then just yeah, by the time it comes to sort of March, April time and plant in, we'll be good to go. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching, appreciate it. Give us a subscribe if you want to follow along with the journey. And also, yeah, thank you so much for last year, guys, people that subscribed. We've had loads of new subscribers jumping on. Really appreciate it, and I appreciate your support as well. So I'm going to stop chatting now and get working. Right, guys, get the hat on, keep me warm. I've got the Ego multi-tool here, which I'm going to use. This is going to be what I'm going to use to trim for everything. Yeah, we'll just get this down now. Doesn't look like I'm taking much off, but there's quite a thick layer of grass here. Let me show you, get down close, you can see. You can see the difference there. And then you go over to this part of the grass, how thick it is there. So, taking quite a bit of it off. We don't want it to get any thicker because it just, otherwise by the time you come to the sort of springtime, it's going to be double the thickness, plus it's also going to be twice as long as well. So yeah, let's get strimming yo. One thing I hate is when I run out of line, strimmer line. Well, getting progress. You can start to see, discovering sort of the wooden edges of the beds now. Just going to put some new line in the strimmer head and then we'll be good to go. So just lifting up this old netting because it's just not very good, and I've found some wire mesh here, which is gonna sort of just replace that. I'm just gonna do a couple of strips just to keep it covered, protect any wildlife in there. I don't know if there's any wildlife in there at the minute, but the birds will come down and have the old froggies, but that's nature, isn't it? So lovely stuff. This is the bit where my microphone falls in the water. Jesus. Like an iceberg in there as well. So I had this idea where I was just going to use this metal mesh and put it over the top, but I've actually had another idea. I know I gave some wood to Shane a little while ago. I'm going to sneeze. Sorry about that. So I know I gave some wood to Shane a little while ago, and I'm thinking maybe build like a little frame and then pin the mesh to the frame, so it's kind of something you can just lift off when you need to do some maintenance on it, and then put it back when you sort of just easy, stops the grass from growing through it. What do you reckon, guys? I'll wait until Shane gets here because he's going to pop down, but what I'll do is I'll start just focusing on clearing these beds out quickly, and then we'll see what Shane says about the old pondy pond. Okay guys, so we are done with the weeding. Done with, like, mowed the lawn as best as we can. Say lawn, well, the grass. It's just really bumpy as well. It needs to be, I mean, like we said before, if you've watched the journey of this sort of allotment, we're not really looking for, you know, we don't want that pretty allotment, I don't think. It's more just, let's keep it clean and tidy and grow some stuff. Because it doesn't cost money, I think, to have these. I don't think it's expensive. I think it's like 80 quid a year or something to have the allotment. And you just sort of get, you get your plot, and you just maintain this plot. So you can see the square of where our plot is, and then you've got next door's plot. They're all roughly the same. This one next door, must be no one there. They obviously don't tend to it anymore. And the fact is that a lot of people now, they tend to don't want allotments. There's people out there that are too busy for it. So when you go along here, there's quite a few available, and that's just, you know, years ago it used to be people, you used to struggle to get an allotment. I mean, it has become a bit more popular through social media. There are people on there doing it, but it's just whether people have the time. You need the time to do it. Shane's doesn't live far from the allotment, so he can always come and water and do those sort of bits that need to be done. But if you've got to travel, it's a little bit more difficult. Right, I'm waffling now, guys. Let's get this fig tidied up a bit, shall we? I'm just going to change the battery in the camera because it's on 12%. First of all, we shall snack, and then we shall trim. Right. We've got the PS23-25 5-star pruners, and we're going to give the fig tree a prune. I'm not sure what you can see, guys, because it's really difficult when there's no leaves on it and the camera's looking through. When I'm trying to look at the screen, I can't see the tree really through the screen. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Put my gloves on. Right, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for the middle, and I'm going to thin out anything that's growing from the base up and through, like, you know, you'll see. All right. Hello. Hey, Mac. How you doing, Dog? How you doing? Good to see you. You all right?
Hey, bird.
How's it looking?
Nice, mate.
Well, it's just tidied up, innit, mate? It's looking a bit neater and tidy. I'm ready for the spring planting.
Yeah, mate.
Doesn't help when you're standing on the bed I've just fluffed.
Got it all weeded out already.
Already? I don't mess about, mate. I'm no mow, blow and go guy. I've got the experience. Road rage. People have a bit of road rage around here. So guys, you can see there's a lot more light in here now. Yeah, I'm just trying to create that space in the middle, and then just reduce it as well, because there's quite a bit of, it's just so thick and there's quite a bit of height on it. Yeah, we're just having a little play and see how we get on with it. Save that one there. That one can go. can also attach those little handheld pruners to this pole as well, which is good. Handy little feature. No idea how that's going to perform this year, but we'll see. There's a lot more light, a lot more air getting in there. We're going to have some nice new growth that's going to come off this, and with any luck, it should hopefully, yeah, it should hopefully be all right. And also with the, can't get my words out. So yeah, you won't get any sort of fruit this year, but next year you will. But I mean, it's hit and miss in the UK with the figs, unless they're on a sort of like up against a wall. And they're getting the warmth from that sunshine. It is hard. It's sort of, the allotments, they're quite open spaces, so you're going to get the cold air, especially in this area, the Chilterns and stuff which come through. I don't know, we'll see. As always, guys, I am waffling, but I'm going to get this tidied up, and then I'm going to get a move on and get home, because it's getting a bit, my toesies are a bit cold now. But thanks for watching, guys. Just an update video on the old allotment, and if you yeah, if you enjoyed it, just yeah, like and subscribe as well. Lots of videos coming this year, guys, so stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you for everyone who supported the channel as well. We really appreciate it. Yeah, let's crack on and get home.